Hey YouTube, we're gonna do a song by Still Corners, and it's called The Message. I have a lot of reverb on to kind of emulate their sound, and I'm using my bridge pickup. I believe the guitarist used a Telecaster for this song. He did in the performance I saw. Starts with G minor. I love to drive the highways, the byways, just to get lost. I pass so many places I don't break, 'cause I can't break your heart. That's the basic chord progression as it's recorded. I'm going to also show you a simplified way to play it and using open chords, but let's go over this way. And this way you can almost play with all open chords. It's just this G minor that you can't play with an open chord. Let's go over the chords. G minor, D minor, F, C. Those are the chords used over the whole song. Okay, so that was the recorded in G minor, and then if we want to play an easy arrangement of it, we just have to change it up to A minor, and that'll give us all easy chords. So A minor, I love to drive, goes to E minor, the highway, goes to G, the skyway, then it goes finally to D, just to get lost. Now, so just to review: A minor, E minor, G, D. You're playing it one whole step up. He was playing a lot of arpeggios, so you could be do it in the other arrangement as well. About the lead guitar, because he's not really playing chords behind this music. The keyboards are playing the chords, and he's playing. He is playing some arpeggios. Let's just stick with the recorded version. He's playing a lot out of the G minor scale. I'm playing at the 3rd fret. We have our G on the 6th string. Played at the 10th, and notice he was playing a lot here. We have a G here on the 5th string. It's your root. those would be two areas I would look at if I was trying to figure out some of the soloing and lead guitar work in that song. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and have fun playing that song. It's really cool. Cool lyrics, kind of spooky sounding. I like it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.